Hello, welcome to Hands-On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. My name is Heather and I'm the program manager. Today we're going to be making a colorful experiment called Fireworks in a Jar. You're going to need a couple of materials to get started. A clear empty container, I'm using a glass container. A 1/4 cup of cooking oil, we're using vegetable oil today. Food coloring, warm water, a bowl to mix, and a fork. To get started, we're going to simply fill up an empty jar most of the way to the top. We want to leave a little bit of room at the top. Next, we're going to measure a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Choose your food coloring colors and put approximately 5 drops of each of your chosen color into the vegetable oil. And finally, we're going to give this a stir to break up the beads. Now we're ready to pour our oil mixture with the food coloring droplets into our water container. Be sure to pour slowly. After a couple seconds, you'll start to see the droplets explode into fireworks in the water. The food colors will continue to shoot down like fireworks until all the droplets have fallen from the oil. This experiment happens because the food coloring is water-based and will mix with water, but will not mix with oil because oil is less dense than water, causing it to float on top of the water. The food coloring has a higher density than the oil, so it falls through the oil and then mixes in the water below. Now let's try it again, but this time bigger. So I've filled up a large canister, most of the way with water, and I've doubled my vegetable oil, so I have a 1/2 cup. Now we're going to pour it into our bowl and select our colors. Remember to put approximately 5 drops of each color. Be sure to give it a stir. And we're ready to pour it into the larger container. Thank you for joining us today for our experiment Fireworks in a Jar with this episode of Hands-On at Home. A special thank you to our members and our Visionary Society members who make our programming possible. Thanks, we'll see you next time.